Happy Veganuary, day 16. Today we're at the halfway point. Woohoo! It was dark again at 5 here in Toronto today, so we need to get our veggies. So today we're making Southwestern salad, inspired by the salad queen. Preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit. Cook 500 milliliters of quinoa according to the instructions. I may have made a little tiny smidge bit more than 500 milliliters. I'm using Quinta. Toss 2 sweet potatoes peeled and cubed in 15 milliliters of olive oil and 2 milliliters of salt and bake at 400 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Stirring once at the halfway point. We've lost some soldiers. For the salad dressing, blend together 60 milliliters of sesame tahini in a food processor and 60 milliliters of water. 2 juiced limes, 1 whole bunch of parsley, squish that in there, and 2 milliliters of sea salt. After this is done, combine the quinoa, the sweet potato, 80 milliliters of green cabbage, 80 milliliters of purple cabbage, 80 milliliters of carrots, 540 milliliters of black beans, 250 milliliters of thawed frozen sweet corn, 1/4 of a purple onion, four large avocados in a large bowl. Give it a stir. Oh, that looks amazing. And now add the dressing. Toss and serve. I like salad now. All right, let's try it. Oh my god, that's really good. The sweet potato is really good. The cabbage and the black beans are perfect. And the dressing is just amazing. This is really good. You wouldn't think salad would be hearty enough for a dinner, but you'd be wrong.